Hi, I'm Dave Patnaude, Sales Manager here at Clarks Landing Yacht Sales. Let's talk about brokering boats. Right now, the market is so hot. Right now, the demand has never been stronger. And right now, with the way the market is, everyone can get premium top dollar for their boat. But for you to achieve that, you need an experienced professional to help you do that. And that's why you should contact us here at Clarks Landing Yacht Sales. Our yacht brokers have years and years and years of experience. We will list your boat, market your boat. We do walkthrough videos. We do drone footage, depending on the size of your listing. We spend a lot of money every single month marketing all of our inventory. New boats, used boats, and brokerage boats. Choosing the right broker, you have a lot of choices. The right choice I hope you make is to contact us today, make an appointment to meet one of our yacht professionals, and we will be more than happy to assist you in the sale of your boat. Our brokerage rates are extremely competitive. Our marketing program is second to none. Come enjoy and sell your boat with the Clarks Landing Yacht Sales experience.